Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can get all the window handles that are open. So uh, create a test get all handles, window handles, and then pass get driver and logger instance, and then add a copy string get list of all the window handles. Then let's copy the statements. Open, create a page object, open URL, and then click on Windows link. So, let's see. Click over Windows, multiple Windows link, and then let's save window title, main window title, the internet, and click on multiple windows link, click, and this window will open, and there we have click here link. This is the click here link locator, and click on that. Let's click. So click on this link, and then we will be redirected to another window. That is another window title is equal to, here we can see new window. So now we want to switch to old window handle. So there is a method that we have, and in this case let's get all windows handles. So we have page method window handles, so it will return all the windows handles, and we have another method that is property windows that is doing the same task as well. Above one is Selenium method, Windows handle Selenium property. Below one Windows is window property. Both the doing same task. But what is the difference in behavior in Windows property is that it also keeps track of window title and window handle pair. So here we can see it saves title and window handle both in it as a dictionary. So that is the way we can get all the window handles. Thank you.